Hi, and welcome again, in netsh channel. In this video, don't miss to subscribe to my channel, and hit bell icon, to get notified for my earliest video. And if you like this video, to hit like. And if you don't like this video, to hit dislike. In this video, if you have DNS error in Windows 10 or 11, this video is for you. How to fix error DNS in Windows, and thanks for all support. So follow me. You want to go Wi-Fi icon in taskbar, right click and click Open Network and Internet Settings. And click Change Adapter Options. And double-click on Wi-Fi adapter. And double-click on Properties. And double-click on TCP IPv4. And double-click Use the following DNS server addresses. Put Google DNS. Open, run and double-click on CMD Run as administrator. And put this following command. You can copy this command from my YouTube description. And after click enter. Thanks for all support. Don't miss to subscribe to my channel. Jesus bless you. Ciao ciao.